दिनै जों फरायगोन थाखो 3नि इंराजि लेसन 3 बे लेसननि मुङा जाहैबाय ए ब्रेव जेनेरेल आरो बे जेनेरेलनि मुङा माने सानथ्रि गाहायनि मुङा मामोन लाचित बरफुकन दानिया जोङो बे फराखौ जागायजेननोसै आरो नोंसोरो आंनि फरायनायनि उनाव नोंसोरबो फरायलांबानो जाबाय In the days of King Chakradevas Singha the western part of his kingdom was under the Mughals. The king had to pay huge sum of money to the Mughal empire. He decided to fight the Mughals and recover the lost part of his kingdom. The king needed a brave general to fight the Mughals. He selected Lachit as the Borfukan or the general, but before sending him to the battlefield, the king wanted to test him. The king called Lachit to his chamber. Lachit knelt down before the king. At that moment, an attendant rushed into the royal chamber and took off Lachit's turban. This was a great insult to Lachit. He became very angry with the attendant. The man ran to the king's throne and stood behind it. Lachit ran towards him in great anger, but the king stopped Lachit and told him that the attendant was only carrying out his order. He also told Lachit that he wanted to test if Lachit was brave and had self-respect. Then the king appointed Lachit as the Borfukan. He also presented Lachit with a beautiful sword. दानिया नोंसोरो बे फराखौ भिडिअखौ नायै नायै फरायनो सेस्था खालामबानो जाबाय।